Welcome to more Hapag Lloyd.
Hello, good day sir and good day everyone. My name is Hassan Kunusaran. My match number is A908025 and today I will present about internship in Hapag Lloyd. Okay, firstly, I'm working in customer service department, which is they got two department. Firstly, I was work in customer service support and I was changed to customer service cluster 1, which is document and booking. Okay, Hapag Lloyd is a global shipping and container transportation business based in Germany. And then in 1970, North German Lloyd and Hamburg American line Hapag merged to establish Hapag Lloyd. The Hamburg American line Hapag, which was founded in 1847, and Industrual NDL or North German Lloyd NGL, which was founded in 1857, were combined to become the firm on September 1, 1970. Hapag Lloyd has undergone several mergers with other businesses since it was founded, as well as changes in the ownership of the company. For instance, in 1998, 2AIG Hanover fully bought Hapag Lloyd and made it its subsidiary. Follow this exchange, TUI sold a majority stake in Hapag Lloyd to private investors in Hamburg in 2009, and additional sales occurred in 2012. Hapag Lloyd is one of the top liners shipping firms in the world, operating a fleet of 251 competitive container vessels with a combined transit capacity 1.8 million TEU, around 4,200 people for business, which has more than 400 locations across 135 nations. In terms of shipability, is the fifth largest container operator in the world. That's all. Thank you. The following part is vision. To become number one for quality is the ultimate promise we make to our customers. Mission: to protect the environment, provide the highest services, quality and care for the health and safety of our employees. And the values, we got three, that's a responsibility, care and honesty. For scope of exposure to students, okay, number one is give the opportunity to work in a real office environment where we get work experience that is suitable for the future. Able to collaborate with directors, managers and senior colleagues. Gain new knowledge and new ideas, as well as solid working skills through this collaboration. Second is fast network and internet system updates. This initiative allows us as interns to understand the program and work easily. For example, WBT. WBT is work-based training. It helps us to understand the formula in the office. The use of Microsoft Teams is a simple application platform for us to discuss ideas and solve problems in our team. Accordingly, it also helps us to make meetings easily. Okay, contribution to industry. Here, I can divide my contribution into two tasks in two different sections in the same department, which is customer service. Firstly, I have been working at customer service support, which is my work scope is generate shipment lists and updating manifest report Singapore, where I need to update every day in the system for the import department and complete the MRS at the right time. Secondly, I have been shifted to another section which is a cluster 1 core under customer service department. I have worked in the documentation and booking division. Documentation. And what is my work scope in documentation? Need to check and send CV bill of lading, and bill of lading split to 3 types. That is a BL, namely original BL or BL, draft BL, and BL copy. Invoice, telex, and telex, which is an email that we needs to be sent to the customer after the OBL is handed over to us. And then what is my work scope in booking? In booking, I need to do booking confirmation, booking cancellation, cargo readiness. And what is cargo readiness? Cargo readiness, which is just informed by customer to us that cargo pickup is confirmed. And finally, calls. Calls are not mandatory, but I have helped my colleagues to answer the calls and help customer to clear their doubts. Then, suggestion to improvement. Hire skilled and young employers. The majority of the employees at this firm are senior citizens. The staff members age range from 40 to 60 at this workplace. Although lacking in the technology, this generation of individuals has a great deals of job experience in this era. By hiring young competent workers, this business will be able to compete with its rivals. And the second is schedule works. Task scheduling is essential for avoiding misunderstanding at work. Planning is the primary management tool in everything. Planning is essential in a shipping company. The establishment of work schedules for each department will guarantee efficient operation and improvement in effectiveness. Improve the safety and the security is third. By having security guards, the company and the staff will be more safe and secure. The company's security is a strategy for the company because the data are safe and secure. In this conclusion, improving safety and the security at the company is very essential because all the important documents will be protected. Okay, challenges of task execution. Firstly is about language, because Hapag is a multinational company, is involved various employees from various countries. For example, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore, India, and so on. So, therefore, language become an obstacle for us to communicate and expand knowledge and ideas. And then, the second challenges is advanced technology system, which is Hapag is a company that focus on a new and advanced technology software, which with this we must always be sensitive and always take note to do a work process. For example, if we need to send a CV bill, we need to copy shipment number and access D1000, which is a special code, which means platform to search shipping details and shipping status, complete or incomplete, and departure dates and shipping on board SOB date, and go to revenue. Then can confirm it that customer has complete the payment, and then we can proceed the CV bill. Even though it's like a small and short process, and it will take time to learn for beginners like us. Okay, for add value to student knowledge, we got 4 or 5 or several things we can talk where we can learn in Hapag Lloyd, which is first is Feast. First is Feast 2 and 3, which means Feast is a website we need to enter every day, and we will get new knowledge and new data from the Feast 2, and Feast 2 also used to get a new sources and get a new daily everyday updated data from Feast 2. And then the second is WBT, which is web-based training. Web-based training means there was a platform or learning campus for the new beginners, and that also used by the permanent staff to updating their skills and updating their knowledge for 6 months once or once a year, like that. And the third part is Excel, and Excel is a common things we will use it, but in this Hapag there's a different, because every day we need to access the Excel to updating the data, for getting the data and send the data or save the data. And the fourth is about the Podnet. The Podnet is the finest platform which is used to get a data and about the shipping data and the customer and consignee information. And the fifth is SingPass or MRS SingPass. The MRS is Manifest Report Singapore, which will be used to submit the report to Singapore Customs. And that's all. Thank you for me.